9 best mind mapping apps. Yo, what's up guys? Ever feel like your ideas are all over the place? Don't worry, today we're checking out the best mind mapping apps that will help you organize thought, brainstorming ideas, and boost productivity. Let's get started. First off, we have Mindomo with a rating of 4.7 and over 5 million downloads. This app is great for both personal and professional use. You can collaborate in real time, sync across devices, even add multimedia like images and videos to your mind maps. Perfect if you want a powerful and interactive brainstorming tool. If you like something simple but visually stunning, check out Nice Mind Map with a rating of 4.7 and over 1 million downloads. It has aesthetic templates, smooth animations, and a super easy drag and drop system. Great for those who want a beautiful and intuitive mind mapping experience. My Mind, which is all about speed and simplicity. With a rating of 4.7 and over 1 million downloads, it has a clean interface, tons of diagram options, and lets you export your mind maps in multiple formats like PDF, JPEG, and even PowerPoint. Perfect for students or professionals who need to quickly organize their ideas. Now, this one is a classic. Xmind with a rating of 4.4 and over 1 million downloads. It's one of the most popular mind mapping tools out there. You can use cool features like the fishbone diagram, tree chart, and even a Zen mode to focus on your brainstorming sessions. Super powerful for deep thinkers. If you're just getting started with mind mapping, check out Simple Mind Lite with a rating of 4.5 and over 5 million downloads. It's lightweight, easy to use, and doesn't require an account. Just open the app and start mapping. No extra clutter, just pure mind mapping. Want to make your mind mapping to the next level? Try eDrawMind with a rating of 4.3 and over 500k downloads. eDrawMind brings AI-powered features like automatic layout suggestions and smart connections to make brainstorming faster and smarter. It is like having a virtual assistant for your ideas. Another AI-powered tool is Gitmind with a rating of 3.9 and over 1 million downloads. It's free, packed with smart templates, and lets you collaborate with teammates in real time. If you love working in groups, this one's a great pick. Alright, if you are looking for something beyond just mind mapping, then Miro is a must-try. With a rating of 4.5 and over 1 million downloads, it is a visual workspace where you can brainstorm, plan projects, and collaborate with your team on an infinite whiteboard. Perfect for team project and creative brainstorming. Last but not least, we have Iowa with a rating of 4.0 and over 100k downloads. This app combines mind mapping with task management, so you can not only plan your ideas but also turn them into real tasks. Great for those who want a mixed creativity and productivity. And that is a wrap, guys. Whether you're a student, an entrepreneur, or just someone who wants to stay organized, there's a mind mapping apps for you. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments and catch you on the next video. Bye!